Yeah! This man! Warehouse economist. Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Yeah! It's on up.
This work where you they do now, your man I know say you they do
A town hall, different. Oh, I'm not too much.
You don't know why it's going on.
Jesus! Jesus!
Why are you running?
Right, no go deal. You get me the progress for there.
You start talking about that one now. Not true.
Na lie yo. Leave Mento. Mento no want make collect your own cake. Go there, go collect your own cake.
Ah, Mento. Now like this they do. Can never change.
Right, you don't go. No one tell the talk. Person dey there.
Come up for here. Stingy boy. Like say that you even buy the cake set.
Some of you are just evil.
Oh, I'm not too much. This evening you will die. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. May God not allow them.
No, na me talk.
I got the advice from a madman. Hey, Bangin.
Hey, brother!
How you doing?
I'm fine, no.
What of your mama?
She not there, she go meeting.
Oh, meeting. Yeah. You go give me mineral.
Hey, brother!
Eh?
Maybe they buy things from us on credit.
Jesus!
Brother, now you!
Will you come and go inside and give me mineral? Which kind of thing is this one?
Now you be this.
No respect again now. Give me mineral.
Who say you go pay this time around?
Let me money be this. Is this not money? You know not say for this life, once your friends make money, you too don't make money. As far as you be good friend to them when they give them good information.
Not true, brother.
Me when I already tell my friend about bed fuse, the number one prediction site where we say that they give correct bunga games. As I tell the boy now, the boy just go join their Telegram group. They give a game for their Telegram group. As I give up, now so the boy go chop money. I can't go there, I can't the hell, I can't dash me 200. See you.
That's you, brother.
Now you just come buy this mineral now.
Hey.
The only thing for you now, now just to join the Telegram group. You go see how your own don't happen.
That's you. Okay, thank you. They should dash you.
Come up with this place now, one kind. What be
What type of plane is this?
Jesus! Brother, collect your mineral.
No worry. People they find me don't come already. Sorry, Jesus.
Neighbor, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How you doing now? What's it? It be like you dey cook.
They cook.
Eh?
There's a cook for my people for house.
Yeah. Come wonder what it be like na rice.
Now rice. Rice.
I just been inside since. I just dey wonder one of my old friend who died for since 2004.
Hey, yeah,
And I
2004.
can't remember now saying he die of ulcer.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Small ulcer. I hear say na hunger dey
Now,
cause am.
infection for belly or infection with the stomach. Na bacteria, they always dey cause am.
Eh?
Now, why people need to take care of themselves? I'm not saying no easy.
No be small thing. Wey person for just speak up, even if in get for the place where him dey live, in get neighbor. Just talk to the neighbor, tell am say you dey hungry. Show me say the neighbor go dey cook. Speak up. Tell am say you dey hungry. They go give you food.
It is well.
Bring out plate, beg for food. Ulcer, e no good at all. Just at least ask person. If you no get family wey you go ask your neighbor for food. It be food, something wey if you enter belle you go comot am for toilet.
My brother.
People sha. I no be saying neighbor reject am o. They fit dey cook, call am. Even if they no call am, just ask. Say I never chop o. That your rice sent o. Just dey enter everywhere. Na jollof rice or na that long rice?
Na rice and stew na.
Oh.
Yeah, na rice and stew.
Okay, na stew be that.
Yes, na.
Go sweet.
This one wey dey chop like you go chop.
I for chop now. No be say I dey ask you, but I for like.
Oh, you for speak up. You for talk since now. You for talk since.
Which one be I for talk since?
I don't already share and give family member. Or nothing remain pot again. And Sam, I don't scrub and finish.
So all this story when me I dey here dey talk about ulcer, you no understand? Say na hungry dey catch person.
Now your life be that.
If you just tell me say make you at least you see me with plates here for head.
You for speak up. You for speak up. Always learn to speak.
Why they do things like that now? They try get. Why they do things like that?
No vex. If I just talk say you want chop, I for dish for you. Wetin dey there?
When me are all the places there they talk.
No vex, yeah. No vex. Maybe some other time. Yeah. Take care of yourself, okay? No vex.
You know good though.
God have mercy upon us.
He dey smoke Igbo.
For sale, 1,005.
Bros, I get we go buy this for 100,000. What do you think? Go share am 50-50. Take me to the place.
Hey! This man!
Bro, who be this one? And the guy we went with for street. He was saying phone 100K. And you tell me say you need phone.
No, bro, I buy phone yesterday. Man show you now.
God have mercy upon us.
Bro, I don't know what's going on. I can't find my phone. Not be juju be that.
Bombastic side eye.
Do you know this boy? Wow. Maybe it's your twin brother. I stole this phone a few hours ago. From back there. But anyway, I can sell it for you. 50,000. Discount.
So, young man, you want to resell my phone for me again?
Chosa. Please, can I go?
You can go. Hey!
Oh no. Mo gbé 1.5.
Can I know my offense? Can I know my offense? Can I know my offense?
Hi. Boss. Which one be boss now? Because you say I can't get you can't say boss. I didn't like that kind of thing. No. See, babe, I will not vex so. This guy now your guy carry me come out stay here.
She understand. So yeah, not my place. So say I just a package.
Okay.
So what do I offer you?
Anything.
Anything? Okay, I dey come.
God have mercy upon us.
What's this?
Gary.
You're giving me Gary? Why are you embarrassing me? I came to your house and you're giving me Gary.
I'm sorry. Okay, what do I give you?
Fried rice and turkey.
Okay. You say you're my friend, please.
Okay.
So we'll go buy and for side, eat and there. Then if we come here, we'll just like we'll never eat. But if I buy and put for you, my friend would say, I get money.
Oh, okay.
So let's go and buy it.
Alright.
Any.
Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it.
Jesus.
I'm equally paying for those ones who don't wear clothes.
Awesome.
So then, 50,000.
No be say you want pay for people who no wear clothes.
Uh-huh.
Now they no wear clothes.
Madam, I need people who don't wear clothes. Why wear black trousers?
I'm gonna steal them. Look.
Jesus.
This man thinks say we carry a complaint. If you like men saying they pay for people who wear white and white, we go still wear them. But you see this food, he don't pay for that thing.
If to say you dey listen to me, all this prayer wey you dey pray, you for no dey pray am. Fasting sef go reduce. You wan get ulcer? The house wey you dey pray for, see am, na me get am.
You dey want?
See euro. Hey, listen to me.
So you get all this money so? Now you never buy common 30 naira soap to take wash this your garment. Hey! You know you can't be. Even your mouth they smell like goat and pit. Hey!
Can I know my address? Can I know my address? What did I do? You should talk about you hear her from back. He reached that side. He said my mouth they smell like goat and pit. He not get any other place than goat and pit.
What have I done to deserve this?
What did I do? Which kind of God create like kind human? Now we say pay me. Why she go speak up for laughing? They cause person like that. Jesus! She's body shaming me. I'm traumatized. Why she go body shame me? Now we say I dey put the smell. Smell of first. No, because person is quiet. Person don't know what they do. Smell of that smell.
God have mercy upon us.
This evening you will know. What's Akbolo? What's Akbolo? What have I done?
out there. What are we doing, my dear, my dear?
What be this? What be this?
Bombastic side eye.
So where are we even going to now?
Why are you gay?
What?
So who is gay?
That's what you deserve for breaking my heart.
Yeah. Hold up.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Hey!
You look like my ex.
Angolos.
Zurukwanike, rest in the mighty name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I'm in love with this girl.
Let's have it.
When I got the blessing.
To be mumu.
All you think
Yes. You be mumu. This evening you will die.
Find it.
Jesus
Christ, Ebola.
Did I call you to come? No, be you come.
I'm going to talk about Jesus Christ.